Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel to viewers. In front of me Canon Zoemini, and now I can show you how to factory reset this printer. To do it, we just need to enable our printer. To enable our printer, we need to press and hold on the power button until lamps will white. And on the other side, between the charger input, here we have the reset place. Here we have charge a lamp, but here on the left side we have reset place, and we need to insert here something thin and press until this lamp will stop to light. But we need to press and hold it. Then release the reset button, wait a while, and then this lamp will be blinking several seconds. And cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.